Hi, I'm Chris Natzke, America's Breakthrough Sensei. I'm an eighth degree black belt, former national Taekwondo champion, and keynote speaker. For years, I've used martial arts as a metaphor to help entrepreneurs and small business owners break through limiting beliefs, develop unstoppable confidence, and lead their ventures with passion and purpose. As a 30-year small business owner myself, I know that running a business isn't easy. You face constant pressure, uncertainty, and the weight of making it all work. And that's where I come in. Through inspiring keynotes and my signature board breaking experience workshops, I help business owners tap into their inner champion, embrace challenges with courage, and create a mindset that fuels both resilience and results. I've worked with business boot camps, mastermind groups, and small business summits, and the feedback is consistently the same. Audience members routinely describe my program as engaging, interactive, inspiring, and relative to both their personal and their professional lives. So let's connect for a quick Zoom call or phone call to explore how I can best serve you at your next event. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to connecting soon.